The quest for the lost crown. Long ago, in a kingdom called Eldoria, there was a legend about a magical crown that had the power to bring peace and prosperity to the land. But many years ago, the crown was lost during a great storm, and the kingdom had since been filled with disputes and sadness. A young knight named Leo, who had always dreamed of bringing happiness back to Eldoria, decided to embark on a quest to find the lost crown. Leo's journey began in the dense whispering woods, where it was said the old map to the crown's location was hidden. As he ventured deeper into the woods, he heard soft whispers all around him. The trees seemed to be talking, warning him of the dangers ahead. Leo soon found a small, glowing pond where a wise old turtle sat on a rock. "Welcome, brave knight," the turtle said slowly. "I know what you seek. To find the map, you must solve a riddle. If you answer correctly, the map will reveal itself." Leo nodded eagerly. "I'm ready." The turtle asked, "What has roots that nobody sees, is taller than trees, up it goes, and yet never grows?" Leo thought hard and then smiled. "A mountain." The turtle nodded and slowly lifted his shell to reveal an old, dusty map underneath. "You are wise, young knight. Take this map, and may it guide you to your destiny." Following the map, Leo traveled across Eldoria, facing many challenges. He crossed the river of illusions, where the water played tricks on his eyes, showing paths that led nowhere. But with his courage and the map, he found the true path. Next, he climbed the misty peaks, where fierce winds and icy cold tried to push him back. On the highest peak, he met a giant eagle. "Why do you risk so much for a crown?" the eagle asked. "I want to bring peace to Eldoria," Leo replied with determination. The eagle, moved by his courage, gave him a single golden feather. "This will guide you through the valley of shadows." With the eagle's feather glowing brightly, Leo entered the dark and airy valley of shadows. Strange creatures lurked in the mist, and shadows danced around him, trying to lead him astray. But the golden feather lit his way, and Leo walked bravely through. Finally, he arrived at the entrance of the forgotten cavern, where the crown was said to be hidden. Inside the cavern, he faced one last challenge, a fierce dragon that guarded the crown. The dragon roared, and its fiery breath filled the cave. "Who dares to take the crown of Eldoria?" it thundered. Leo, though trembling with fear, stood his ground. "I am Leo, and I wish to bring the crown back to Eldoria, not for myself, but for the people who need it." The dragon paused, studying the young knight. "You are brave and selfless. The crown can only be worn by one with a pure heart. You may take it." The dragon stepped aside, revealing the lost crown, shining brightly. Leo took the crown with reverence and thanked the dragon. He knew the real test had not been his strength, but his heart. With the crown in his hands, Leo returned to Eldoria. The kingdom rejoiced, and peace was restored. Liu became known as the hero who brought back not just the crown, but hope to the land. Lesson: true bravery and leadership come from a pure heart and the desire to help others.